Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us solve some problems on trigonometric identities. Okay, so the problems are asked based on trigonometric identities. Okay, so before starting this, before solving these problems, let me write all the identities. Okay, so the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so based on these identities we need to solve these problems. Okay, so the first problem asked is, first one is, so they are asking to evaluate this following value. Okay, so sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay, so we need to evaluate this value. So see, you can clearly see it is of the form a plus b whole square, right? It is a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is nothing but, a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so it is of the form a plus b whole square, so it can be written as a square. A square is nothing but sin square theta plus 2ab, 2 into sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta plus b square. So in place of b have cos, so it is cos theta whole square, nothing but cos square theta, plus we have plus sign here, so I am placing here plus, and see here it is of the form a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it can be written as sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, see here we have plus 2 sin theta and it is minus 2 sin theta, so the both will get cancelled out. Okay, once observe these both, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we have one identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if we add these two, it will be 1 and plus, so again observe even this, even it is also sin square theta plus cos square theta, so it will be 1 again. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So if we solve this value, we are getting it as 2. Okay, so similarly let us solve the second one. So it is given secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, so see here from this identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So I am writing here secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So we need secant square theta minus 1. Okay, but you have secant square theta minus tan square theta. So what I will do is, I will send this minus tan square to the right hand side and I will bring this 1 to the left hand side. Okay, so that is secant square theta. So if this plus 1 comes to left side, it will be minus 1, which is equal to, so this minus tan square theta goes to RHS, it will become plus tan square theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta. So in place of this secant square theta minus 1, I will place tan square theta into, okay, and see here cosecant square theta minus 1. So once see third identity, we have cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So from that, so cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So but we need cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, but we need cosecant square theta minus 1. So what I will do is, I will bring this 1 to the left hand side and I will send this minus cot square theta to the right hand side. So that means cosecant square theta, so if this 1 comes to left hand side becomes minus 1, which is equal to, so minus cot square theta goes to right hand side, which it will become plus cot square theta. So we have cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So in place of this cosecant square theta minus 1, we can place cot square theta. Okay, but cot square theta is nothing but 1 by tan square theta. Tan theta and cot theta, they both are reciprocal. So in place of cot square theta, I am placing it as 1 by tan square theta. Okay, so tan square theta and tan square theta gets cancelled and the answer will be 1. Okay, so if we solve this value, we are getting answer as 1. Okay, so see third problem. So we are asked to evaluate the value secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A, which is equal to, so first what we should do is multiply this secant A to this, okay, to this 1 minus sin A. So you need to multiply secant A with 1 and secant A with sin A. Okay, so secant A into 1 is nothing but secant A. So we have minus sin A, so I am placing minus sign, and secant A into sin A. Secant A into sin A into, so we have here secant A plus tan A. So I am writing as it is secant A plus tan A. It is equal to, so once observe this value secant A into tan A. Okay, secant A into tan A. See, secant A is nothing but, secant A into sin A, right? It is secant A into sin A. This is equal to, see, secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. It is the reciprocal of cos into sin A, which is equal to, see, 1 into sin A is nothing but sin A by cos A. So we know sin A by cos A is nothing but tan A. So in place of secant A into sin A, we can place tan A. So I am writing here secant A minus, so secant A into sin A is nothing but tan A into secant A plus tan A. Okay, so this is equal to, see here, it is of the form A minus B into A plus B. We know the identity, A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Okay, so it is of the same form, so it can be written as secant square A minus tan square A. Okay, we have secant square A minus tan square A. So let us observe this identity. So see here identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So even this value must be 1. Okay, so the final value of this secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is 1. Okay, let us solve one more problem on this. So it is given that we need to prove this root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. So whenever they ask like this, we need to approach from the LHS. Okay, so the LHS is root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Okay, so whenever this root is given, we need to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so we need to rationalize this denominator. So what I will do is I will multiply with 1 plus sin A, okay, by 1 plus sin A. So because here it is 1 minus sin A, we need to multiply with opposite sign. So if it is minus here, we need to place plus. If it is plus here, then we need to multiply with minus. Okay, so this is equal to root over, see this 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. If we consider this whole as A, and even this will be A into A is nothing but A square. So it will be 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, by, see this 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It is of the form A minus B into A plus B. So A minus B into A plus B can be written as A square minus B square. So it will be 1 square minus sin square A. Okay, so this split this root to the numerator and denominator. So it will be 1 root over 1 plus sin A whole square by root over 1 square is nothing but 1 minus sin square A. Okay, see here the square and root will get cancelled out, and it will be 1 plus sin A. by, once observe this. So let me write identity with respect to sin square a. Okay, so we have identity as sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay, so what we need is 1 minus sin square a. So we can get this 1 minus sin square a from the identity. Okay, send this plus sin square a to the right hand side. So it will be cos square a is equal to 1 minus, so if this plus sin square a go to RHS, it will be minus sin square a. Okay, so cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So if we have 1 minus sin square a, we can replace it with cos square a. See, in place of this we can replace it with cos square a. So it will be root over cos square a. The square and root will get cancelled out. So it will be 1 plus sin a by cos a. Okay, so let us further simplify this. Once split this cos a to both 1 and sin a. Okay, so it will be 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So the reciprocal of cos a. Okay, so we can write it as secant a. Okay, secant a plus sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. Okay, so this is the RHS they asked. So they are asking this whole term is equal to secant a plus tan a. So I proved it. Okay, so this is nothing but the RHS. Okay, thank you.